In today's video I'm going to show you how to cut text on Canva. So first I open a design on Canva. So this is 16:9 ratio. This is a thumbnail. You can add any others as well. So first I need to import a word. So just import a word on here. So I love here D. So now I need to click on background, then change it to maybe, okay, I change it green. Then this letter I need to more big. Okay, this is good. Now just copy as a duplicate, just keep it on here the position. Then I change this font to O. Okay, now going on the first letter, then select effect, then click on shadow. Then here are color, you need to choose white. Okay, white. Now transparency, you need to click on 100% and offset, and it more direction to middle as well. Okay, this is good. Now just I delete this the second one, then first one, just duplicate. Then here are tribe, change it to any font. So I change it to O. Then is going to be position the second. Wow, this is good. Now again just copy the second one, again just here, then position it's maybe number 2 backward. So I change this font to be okay, that's good. Now I again copy this one, duplicate, then here a type, then I type E. So you can write any others as well. Okay, now I type it to position backward. That's good. Now I change this main background. You can see this is totally white. Now you can see it's absolutely brilliant design. So if you want to download this design right now, click on share and download as a PNG or JPG as well. So I click on JPG, then select the number page, then click on done and download. That's it. You worked as finish. So if you found this video helpful for me, make sure like and subscribe the channel. So you can take care. Goodbye.